Are you ready for some food?
I am.
Okay, TikTok has more than 1.5 billion users, and so that means it takes a lot to stand out.
It does. Our next guest uses her creativity, her Filipino heritage, and her lumpitas to win over the internet. Abi Marquez, a world-renowned chef, a Webby Award winner, James Beard Award nominee. Wow. One of Forbes 30 under 30 and TikTok's Food Creator of the Year. My goodness, the accolades in 2023.
It's a lot, and she's also a nice gal. We were just chatting with her.
The real deal.
If you have yet to follow her, I don't know what you're doing with yourself, because we're about to get a taste of why she is so popular. Joining us this morning on New York Living in honor of Filipino Heritage Month is the one and only Abi Marquez.
Welcome
to the show. She's very busy.
She is.
She's doing it.
I'm good. Let's gossip. You know.
Can we do a little gossip?
Yeah,
How do you say? Is there a word for gossip in the Filipino language in Tagalog?
Chica.
Chica.
Wait, ooh. Is it similar to any other languages?
In Spanish, we say bochinche.
Bochinche.
The gringos just say gossip. What's the G?
that's
What's
what
the
I
T?
Chica.
Chica.
What's the T? What's the beef?
What's the chica?
What's the chica? So what's the chica? Right now we're making some lumpiang Shanghai.
Okay.
So this is something that we have it as a staple in Filipino celebrations. It's basically a spring roll, but majority of the filling is minced pork with garlic, onions, some greens. Yeah.
But for people who might not know what lumpia is, what is the best way to describe it?
Spring roll.
A spring roll.
A spring roll. It's basically spring roll.
Is a spring roll on a diet? Because lumpia are very thin. They're very slender.
But
no?
you deep fry it.
Then you eat like
You
12
know,
of them.
then it's not on a, then you're not on a diet.
That's the problem right
You've been
there.
dubbed the Lumpia Queen. Tell us about that.
So I started making videos of the food we eat at home. So it was just a lot of rice with, we call it ulam or viand. And then I had this moment where I had leftovers from ingredients in a hangout, because I'm like the unofficial caterer of the group. You know, when people know you cook, you're always going to be the one who's going to cook.
Right.
So let me just drop these here so we can
listen.
As soon as you drop them,
So we can eat them, right?
Yeah. And I had leftovers of spring roll wrappers, marshmallows, and chocolate.
No.
And I was like, could I fry marshmallows in spring roll wrappers and get
Great
like
idea.
a chocolate marshmallow pie?
Right.
You know?
Fried.
And it was such a curious question. I just did the video, and it's kind of an experiment. So it basically failed. It flopped.
That's a good point.
Yeah, and people loved the videos. And I just did a couple of other trials or experiments of the same thing. And every video I posted after that, even though it's like a different, you know, some kind of sophisticated recipe, people will just say, what if you wrap that in lumpia wrapper?
Oh, so you were getting challenged.
Yeah.
Is that how you got to the world's famous peach mango?
Oh yeah.
That was a challenge,
too.
or were you like, what can I possibly put together?
So the peach mango lumpia, it's actually inspired by Jollibee's peach mango pie. So Jollibee is this famous fast food chain from the Philippines, and one of the
They even have it here now too.
yeah.
There's one in Jersey City, I think. There's one in Woodside. Or
I've had it here in the U.S. and it's good.
Clearly,
So-
I've been deprived.
yeah, their fried chicken's great.
I will send you some Jollibee.
You're here.
Yeah. So
So they said, all right, sis.
yeah, all right, sis, you're the Lumpia Queen. And I'm like, okay, I'm it. So, you know, I got to represent. And today we're making this is kind of the basic and most popular type of lumpia, although we have other types of spring rolls. So you could have something vegetarian, you can have something filled with cheese or ube or dessert type. But
This is a savory one.
This is the savory one. And I think what people found interesting about the experiments is that people only knew about this type of lumpia before. And then suddenly now you have popcorn lumpia, which failed again, by the way.
Popcorn
It was
lumpia.
for entertainment.
Okay, there you go.
She's like, listen, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
I knew it would fail. It was just for. By the way, she is wielding this
yes, she is.
pan
What kind of oil,
hot
by the way?
oil.
This
like
is just
a
neutral
champ.
oil.
Okay.
Yeah, so neutral oil meaning you don't want any flavor coming from the oil. You just want the flavors that you put in there shine.
You
So-
just
I'm getting
whipped this
hungry.
up in 2 seconds flat.
I was here. I made it all. So if you're curious about the filling, it's just pork, carrots, garlic, onions,
And all the things.
soy sauce, salt, and pepper.
Don't
That's
give away
it.
your secrets.
Oh,
Don't
no.
give away your
Yeah.
secrets.
It's pretty basic.
Chef Abby,
you know?
thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah.
For being
Appreciate it, yeah. We
Johnny
can't
on the
wait to
spot.
eat.
You were so fast. You
How many
can-
more minutes?
Oh,
Trying to
he's
gauge
waiting.
my,
He's waiting
I've been,
for it.
I've been on
You
since
can
7
find
a.m. I'm
Abby's
hungry.
recipes and videos all on the website. Follow her on TikTok and Instagram at Abigail F. Marquez.